Hi, I'm Cho. I'm learning a master's degree in product design and furniture in Nottinghamshire University, and I'm designing an electrical appliance which is similar as dishwasher, but I call it easy cleanser. This product was specifically for professionals who live alone or live in cooperative space. And the aim for this product is to increase the efficiency of cooking process, and it will also achieve the purpose of sustainability, the environmental friendly, and water and energy saving. I found that the workshop is literally the most interesting part during this year because I can really make something by my own, and also can use the 3D printer, the cutter, the sander. They all quite nice experience actually. And what I've learned during this year is how to work as a team, like how to communicate with your team members, how to show your ideas in front of the crowd. I found that the tutor in here, they all work quite hard to push everyone go forward, and it was quite impressive. To be honest, I feel quite lonely after everything just shut down because I was quite expected that I can make more friends and have party and enjoy the social life during this year, but now it's like absolutely not what I expected. So it's quite shame that I could go to the campus and enjoy the course with my classmates, but still can learn something in home, so it's fine. To be honest, I don't have a really specific plan after I finish this year. Maybe just find a job or marry someone, hopefully.